In this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your title tag for the search engines. If you've got a WordPress site, I'm going to show you a really cool free plugin that will help you get this right every single time. I'll show you how to do it for a non-WordPress site as well. And I'll also show you how to do it for a local business, because there's one key consideration and thing you'll have to remember to optimize a local business title tag for the search engines. So what really is the title tag? Well, it's essentially the title of the page, and it's the most important indication that you can tell Google what your web page is really about. It's no coincidence that I've typed in home insurance here as a search, and all of the pages in the search results have come up with home insurance as a keyword in the title tag. So as you can probably guess, it's very important in your title tag to include the keyword that you're targeting, that you think people will be typing into the search engines, and that you want to have that as close to the front of the title tag as possible, as you can see all of these guys have done. Another place you can see the title tag is when you open it in a separate tab. You can see cheap home insurance here. And that is the same title tag there. This can be really good in terms of your users. If they have multiple tabs open and they want to get back to your site, you can really make sure that they know what this site is about so they can click back to it easily. Now, if you're a local business, what's important to remember is that people in the search engines are most likely, after they type in the keyword, is to put in a location. So you can imagine, say I live in Dublin, and I could type in Dentist Dublin, and you can see that the web pages that are coming up at the top obviously are the web pages that have that keyword at the start of their title tag. You can also see that they've included the neighborhood that they're in, and also this is kind of the zip code here as well. So I would, if you're a local business, I'd really encourage you to include as much of the information in the title tag as well. So you can capture all of those types of searches as well. Dublin Dentist, Dentist Portobello, Dentist Dublin 8. You'll have a chance to rank for all of those terms. So as well as including your keyword in the title tag, what you want to do is make sure that it's the correct length. You want to keep it at 55 characters, otherwise Google is going to cut it off and it won't appear in the search results. So you can see here that this title tag is too long, and I'm not getting the full information. You can see here this one is too long as well. It's cut off this one as well. So those guys could really maybe rework that title tag and only show what is really important in the 55 characters. You can see here this one is good. This one's probably a little bit better because there's kind of something enticing within it. And these guys as well, a little bit long. So insurance you can count on. This is probably one of the best things because it has the keyword again and something, kind of a value proposition. So now that you understand the theory, I want to show you how to put it into practice. As I said, for a WordPress site, there's a really great plugin that can help you with this. You can just come down to plugin, add new, type in Yoast SEO and download this plugin here. You can see that I've already got it installed, and that'll come up then as a tab at the sidebar here. So now that you've got that installed and you want to create a new page or update an existing page, what you can do is scroll down to the Yoast SEO plugin here. You can type in the keyword that you're trying to focus on. So let's just imagine that I was trying to recreate the page we were looking at, and what it says here is that the focus keyword does not appear in the page title, and that's okay because we haven't written the page title yet. So let's just we can just take this page title here as an example. I'm going to pop it into the article here, and it says now that the page title contains the focus keyword. However, we can see that it's a little bit long here. It's getting cut off. So we're going to come up to this snippet editor here. And I'm just going to take this again and pop it in here. So really what I'm taking out is this Dara Walsh thing there. So you can just pop that in there. And now you can see that the page title is the correct length and then it also contains the focus keyword at the beginning, which is considered to improve rankings. So if you're using some other type of website builder, it should be very straightforward to set the title tag. And if you're doing it in HTML, you can just come to title and add in the title there, and then it's closed brackets as per normal. So just recapping on what you've learned in this lecture, remember when you're optimizing the title tag to make sure you include the keyword at the start of the title tag. If you've got a local business, make sure to put keyword plus location. That can be city, neighborhood, zip code, etc. Also make sure that the title tag is not more than 55 characters in length, otherwise it'll be cut off and me as a searcher, I won't get the full message. If you've got a WordPress site, I suggest you use that Yoast SEO plugin. It'll make sure you get it right every single time. And if you've got another type of website builder or HTML, you're coding in that, it should be pretty straightforward as well. The final thing to remember is that a title tag is set for every single page on your website. So make sure that for the different pages on your website that you're trying to rank for, that you have a unique title tag telling Google what the page is about. Maybe your contact page, your testimonials page, there won't be a need to optimize that too much. But for content, blog posts, homepage, the main pages and categories on your site, you really want to make sure all of these title tags are unique.